To use Bovada tournament tickets, start by logging into your Bovada account and navigating to the poker section. Once you are in the poker lobby, click on the Tournaments tab to view the available tournaments. Look for the tournaments that you are eligible to enter using your tickets, which are usually specified in the tournament details. Next, select the tournament you want to enter and click on the Register button. If you have a tournament ticket, you will be given the option to use it as your entry fee. Choose this option to redeem your ticket and secure your spot in the tournament. It is essential to understand that Bovada tournament tickets are usually awarded as prizes or promotions and have an expiration date, so make sure to use them before they expire. You can view your available tournament tickets in the My Account section of the Bovada website. When using a tournament ticket, keep in mind that you will not receive any change if the ticket value is higher than the tournament buy-in. For example, if you have a $20 tournament ticket and enter a $10 tournament, you will not receive the remaining $10. To get the most out of your Bovada tournament tickets, consider entering tournaments with a higher buy-in to maximize the value of your ticket. Also, be sure to read and understand the tournament rules and structure before entering, as some tournaments may have specific requirements or restrictions. Finally, remember to manage your tournament tickets effectively by keeping track of their expiration dates and using them to enter tournaments that align with your bankroll and playing style. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most out of your Bovada tournament tickets and enjoy a successful online poker experience.